Nairobi.
Okay.
It was a rainy day like this one. Niko pale OTC. By then I was living in Kayole.
Yeah.
Simu yangu imezima. I will never forget that phone. Huawei Y200. Ikazima. Sasa sina fare. Alafu nikaenda sijui, there was a guy there who was selling nini hizi mayai pasua.
Yeah.
Akaenda akanipea 50 bob. Huyo jamaa alinipatia tu hiyo 50 bob hivi, hata sikufika nayo kwa gari. Wenyewe walikuwa washaichukua 50 bob. You know, at that time that 50 bob was the difference between mimi na kufika home. Na unajua OTC stories zake hazikuwa kipoa. So I think I was not crying because ati nimeibiwa. I was crying because what life is this?
Yeah.
And I'm glad and grateful to God that things got better.
Amazing. And of course, I know in your life, in your industry, when umekuwa hizi miaka zote, you've experienced good things.
Yeah.
And bad things as well. What's the worst thing that has ever happened to you and you feel like hiyo ndo kitu iliniuma sana?
Kwa industry?
Yes.
Oh yes, there's one day I went for an audition. You know, as an actor you do millions of auditions. So there's a day I went to an audition. Na normally you get to an audition, unachukua namba then unangoja.
Yes.
Siku nilienda hapo, the guys who are auditioning akakuja akasema, so wewe na wewe tokeni nje muende.
Akakupoinda.
I was one of those wewe na wewe. But later I realized as an actor that saa zingine au fit to role. Saa zingine role wanatafuta ni ya mtu wako 80 years old. Na amekuona, unajua wasanii wa Kenya sisi ujiamini. Umeona brief imesema vizuri sana. Tunatafuta wasichana warembo. Tunatafuta wasichana warembo. Ni nini unafanya kwa hiyo room? Toka nje.
Self-belief.
Self-belief.
Self-belief. Okay. So maybe as we wind up.
Yes.
Yes. Umefanya mambo mengi sana pamoja.
Yes.
He's a brother to you.
Yes.
We want you to look to this camera.
Yes.
Just give him a message. Yeah.
When the first time we spoke about this show, we were doing this Komatanga.
Yes.
We were in Vihiga and it was a theory. To see that evening turning into this evening is really inspirational. Congratulations, my brother. Keep inspiring us. This is something we all waited for a long time. I'm glad you did it. Congratulations. Asante sana.
Thank you so much, coach.
Yes.
Wale wasichana warembo ambao wako pale nje na wanauliza is Nick married?
You know, strangely, I've never been asked this question. I've met Trudy a million times. Ajai niuliza hii swali. Is Nick married? Not married. No, not married. But am I seeing someone? Yes, I am. So
Hauko soko wasikudiem?
Harusi tunaweza kuwa nayo soon. Tukiendelea kutia bidii. Tukiendelea kutia bidii na tuishoneshe suti.
Follow up on the same question.
Yes. Yes.
Is she in the limelight also?
The reason why I'd not want to mention them is when their time is right, they would want to reveal that themselves. So there is a term you use sometimes when you're talking about someone even in singular. So siku yake ikikuwa right, akisikia anataka ku come out kusema this thing is happening, because when you are in the limelight you can draw unnecessary attention to someone na labda yeye ataki. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Thank you.